Introducing Bell Tower, your trusted partner in hardware, tools, gardening, and forestry. We provide reliable tools for everyone, from new gardeners to experienced professionals. Each product goes through strict quality control to ensure strength, precision, and trust. We offer flexible MOQs, fast lead times, and OEM/ODM customization to match your business needs. Choose Bell Tower, where quality, reliability, and professional support come together. Visit www.belltowercn.com to explore our catalog and grow your business with confidence.